Are you looking for a cheap way to get products for your store? Do you think getting products from China can increase ROI? If that's the case, you're on the right track. Keep watching this video, and I'll explain the reasons in detail. Hello everyone, I'm John Liu, a Chinese sourcing expert who likes to make friends and protect them from cheating and overcharging. I will share actionable knowledge, tips, and strategies for China sourcing and shipping in my channel. Subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss my next update. Knowledge is power, knowledge is money. Okay, let's get started. Today I'll share the top 10 reasons to buy products from China. Products manufactured in China cost less for international businesses. Various brands utilize this opportunity. This quality has turned Chinese manufacturing into a staple of success. Product sourcing companies often source products from China. It's because of the lower costs. Currently, importing goods from China has become a huge business. Products get shipped from China across the globe. Chinese products are one of the most used products in the market. You can look for them in any place in the world. Look around. You will see at least 1 to 2 Chinese products. And most of them are either made in China or assembled there. There are many reasons for this. Let's see 10 pros or benefits of sourcing products from China. I hope these points will help change your mind. Number 1. High-quality products. In contrast to popular belief, Chinese products are of high quality. You have probably heard that Chinese products are of poor quality. You might even believe this, right? Well, this is not true. Reliable Chinese companies produce products of the highest quality. Apple manufactures its products in China, but have you ever wondered why? It for sure can't be since Chinese products are of no quality. Apple caught something remarkable in the Chinese manufacturing industry. And that's the reason they switched to manufacturing in China. China has an excellent infrastructure to produce high-quality products efficiently. Number 2. Expansive supplier base. No matter where your businesses exist, you can take advantage of Chinese products. Why so? It's because there is an extensive network of suppliers in China. And many successful companies today import goods like electronics, textiles, toys, and more. China has an expansive supplier ground at your respite. You'll surely profit from working with a sourcing agent. Agents like these have years of cultural experience and market know-how. They have connections to back your export products worldwide. Number 3. Least business risks. Taking risks is part of every business, whether small or large. You are at high risk at every step of your business. And the same goes for buying products from China. When sourcing products from China, you decide on a well-managed sourcing process. This lets you reduce the potential risks while sourcing. Sourcing products in China implies that you'll be involved at every stage. This, in turn, will assist you in detecting fraud and undue profits. You'll understand how to manage inventory and order timely. If you don't ask an agent, you might face greater issues. You'll end up getting low-quality products and a slow supply. And untimely, your deliveries will get late by days to weeks. So, you can ask for help from an agent to reduce these risks efficiently. If you are looking to import Chinese goods, just go for it. Refrain from letting the worries of the novel prevent you from beginning a business. No one in the business has ever achieved success without taking risks. Number 4. Cost-value proportion. It's a goldmine when you get an excellent cost-value proportion. And it's the purpose of getting good value products at a reasonable cost. After other considerations, sourcing high-quality items for a low price is a priority. China is at a stage where rising productivity and quality gains are high. They partially neutralize the effects of its increasing labor, property, and compliance prices. High-speed automation is a crucial driver behind China's increasing productivity. In 2011, U.S. carmakers deployed about 3 times as many industrial robots as Chinese plants. But according to a Boston Consulting Group report, China gained parity in 5 years. Number 5. Better scaling capabilities. The infrastructure in China is pretty well established and robust. Most Chinese manufacturers have years of experience. They also have deep knowledge of global supply chain management. These 2 factors let them scale up production as and when needed. For instance, you can boost your sourcing of products by many times. You can create an inventory of thousands of products. And yes, in just a few days or weeks at the most. Of course, the time for scaling up will depend on your product type. Plus, it'll depend on the availability of raw materials, among other things. In addition, most manufacturers do not need buyers to invest a significant amount in MOQ. A specific MOQ, minimum order quantity, is in their policies. You have to pay pretty lower costs for MOQ. It allows startups and small businesses to source products in small quantities. You can, however, scale up as your business grows. If you are a new company, there is no better alternative. If you want to establish your brand, take advantage of manufacturing in China. Number 6. Mass products production. Whenever you are starting a business, you need products in bulk. So, importing from China is the best option. Most people opt to import goods from China across the globe. This is because only Chinese manufacturers can provide that quantity. Chinese produce goods in large quantities. This is the fact that makes the goods a lot cheaper. This is perfect for most businesses. It makes the acquisition of products very cheap. And in turn, the profits are quite high. Number 7. Freedom to pick factory. Checking work terms and conditions is a crucial practice when working with suppliers. If they can meet your expectations, you will get the desired products. You must inform the supplier about the specific product. In the case of local suppliers, you don't benefit from this option. But with Chinese product sourcing, you can visit the factories. You can check their working conditions and negotiate in person. You also get to select from a variety of factories. You can spend enough time discussing your budget and requirements. So, by sourcing straight from China, you get to choose the right products. You get a settlement with the factories that manufacture the required products. Number 8. Direct products sourcing. When outsourcing products, buyers often deal with multiple parties, called middlemen. As a result, orders push in delays, and you face increased sourcing costs. However, you can directly deal with the manufacturer when sourcing products from China. The OEM sector in China is highly competitive. As a result, most manufacturers prefer to deal with buyers directly. This eliminates the increased costs of multiple middlemen. In some cases, you have to work with only one product sourcing agent. And this makes it easier to hit the ground running. You can easily connect with a reputable supplier or their representative agents. You can find them at international trade fairs through online marketplaces. Also, you can directly visit various traders' markets in China. Ensure to hire a reliable and experienced manufacturer. Number 9. Quick products sourcing. It's not desirable to source faulty goods by increasing speed alone. To unlock profitability, what counts is reacting quickly to consumers' preferences. For example, making your purchasing and production more demand-led to minimize inventory problems. And this practice also maximizes your return on investment, ROI. Another option for unlocking agility is nearshoring. You'll have to bring production closer to end consumers, geographically. Until now, this has meant moving out of China. And yes, nearer to Europe or the US. But the world's consumption core is shifting to the East. By 2025, 40% of clothing deals will occur in Asia, according to McKinsey. More businesses will thus see China as nearshoring instead of offshoring. Number 10. Growing Chinese economy. It's noteworthy that China itself is the world's second largest economy. Recently it has shown its credentials as the most prominent existing manufacturer. It has been acknowledged as the most influential manufacturing country for 2 years. The Chinese economy is increasing rapidly. Its product sourcing potential can prove a good step for a business owner. Most international companies identify the Chinese sourcing agent's capabilities. They establish a selling-buying relationship to flourish in the market. If you are still searching for ideal sourcing agents, JustChinait can help. They can find the best manufacturing factories for you. You'll get the required products at excellent prices and with profit margins. So, have you planned on starting your e-commerce business? If so, importing from China is your first step towards success. Follow the steps I discussed, and you'll see how your business performs. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And start trying it yourself, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Well, that's it for today. We'll see you next video.